This is the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro, and Huawei says it's the smartwatch that can replace both your fitness tracker and your luxury watch. Big claim, right? But after wearing this every single day, tracking workouts, sleep, notifications, and even golf sessions, I discovered something interesting. This might be one of the best smartwatches you can't fully use depending on where you live. Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro Product Overview. The Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro is Huawei's latest premium fitness-focused smartwatch, released in late 2024, designed for people who want serious health tracking without charging every night. Think athletes, outdoor enthusiasts, and professionals who want a classy watch that also tracks everything. The big selling point here is simple: flagship health tracking plus insane battery life, something most Wear OS and Apple Watch devices still struggle with. It runs Huawei's Harmony OS, comes in titanium or ceramic builds, and promises advanced workout analytics, ECG support in select regions, and multi-week battery performance. Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro Performance. Honestly, this watch feels fast and polished. Swiping through menus is smooth, animations are clean, and I never experienced noticeable lag during daily use. Notifications pop up instantly, workouts start quickly, and GPS locks on surprisingly fast, something reviewers like Wearables specifically praised. I use this for everything: gym workouts, outdoor walks, sleep tracking, and even just everyday smartwatch stuff like checking messages or controlling music. And here's a surprise: it feels more like a focused fitness companion than a mini smartphone on your wrist. That's both good and bad. The good part? It's distraction-free. No app overload, no constant updates draining battery. The downside, app support is limited compared to Apple Watch or Samsung Galaxy Watch. You're mostly living inside Huawei's ecosystem. But for fitness tracking accuracy, heart rate monitoring, GPS routes, and activity detection, it performs consistently well. Data trends felt reliable and matched closely with dedicated fitness trackers. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, because this is where Huawei gets interesting. First up, advanced health tracking. The Watch GT 5 Pro includes continuous heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, stress tracking, and advanced workout metrics. What this means in real life is better recovery insights. You actually understand whether today should be a hard workout day or a rest day. Second, dual-band GPS. This allows more accurate location tracking, especially in cities or wooded areas. Translation: your running routes and pace data are far more precise. Third, workout modes, and there are a lot. We're talking diving modes, golf course mapping, trail running metrics, features normally reserved for Garmin watches. If you're active outdoors, this becomes genuinely useful rather than gimmicky. And finally, battery optimization software. Huawei aggressively manages background processes, which is why this watch lasts dramatically longer than most smartwatches. Design and build. Aesthetically, Huawei absolutely nailed this. The titanium version feels incredibly premium, lightweight but solid, while the ceramic option looks almost like luxury jewelry. The sapphire glass adds durability, and after a week of use, scratches were basically non-existent. It doesn't scream tech gadget. Instead, it looks like a traditional high-end watch that happens to be smart. Comfort-wise, it's surprisingly wearable all day and night, which matters for sleep tracking. Buttons feel tactile, and the rotating crown makes navigation intuitive. Battery life. Now let's talk about the real headline feature: battery life. Huawei claims up to 14 days, and in real-world testing, that's not marketing fluff. With notifications, continuous health tracking, and several workouts per week, I consistently got around 8 to 10 days. Compare that to charging an Apple Watch every night, and the difference feels huge. Pros. Outstanding battery life, easily among the best in class. Premium titanium and ceramic build quality, beautiful display, and smooth performance. Cons? Some health features region restricted, ecosystem weaker than Apple or Google. Final verdict? If you're someone who prioritizes fitness tracking, battery life, and premium design, this is an absolute winner. It feels refined, reliable, and refreshingly focused compared to smartwatch platforms trying to do everything. If you're an iPhone user deeply invested in Apple's ecosystem, honestly, the Apple Watch still makes more sense. And if you want tons of apps and deep smart features, Wear OS devices might suit you better. But if your goal is a smartwatch that behaves like a high-end fitness watch with luxury styling, Huawei has built something genuinely impressive here. It's not trying to replace your phone, it's trying to improve your day.